I will be taking a challenge on JavaScript string methods. For those who want to join me, please do follow my channel. We have only one string object property, which is a length, and many string object methods. So in this challenge, I'll be discussing about all the 34 string object methods. So I will start with the string object property, which is a length. So we look at the length of this good morning. So in this code, we are going to check the length of good morning and see how it will be. So I start counting from the first letter, which is this G. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Endeavor to count even the empty space, because the empty spaces are also counted. So the length of this good morning will be 12. After the string object property, which is a length, I will start with the first string object methods. And the first group of string object methods I will focus on is the string character access. String character access methods include a string, char add, and char quoted. So let me start with the string. In this code, like arrays, JavaScript will start counting from 0 index. This simply means that 0 will return G, 1 will return O, 2 will return O, and 3 will return D. And if I decide to insert 4, it will return an empty character. This is because there is space here. The next string method will be char add. Same like the string method, at the 0 index, char add will return G. At the first index, char add will return E, second index R, and third index M. Like I earlier mentioned, char add and string are almost similar, but they only differ in the way they handle out of bound access. For instance, char add handle out of bound access by returning an empty string, while string handle out of bound access by returning undefined, which may require additional checks. When I talk of out of bound access, indices like 8, 9, and 10 are out of bound indices because they are not found within the word Germany. The next method will be add. Add behave exactly like string and char add, but differ in the sense that it is the only string character access method that has the ability to use negative indices without returning an error. So as you can see, when I use 7 index, it returns R, 9 index return I, and now when I use negative indices like -1 will return G, -2 will return N, and -10 return O. So like earlier mentioned, it is the only string character access method that has the ability to handle negative indices. So as you can see, when I use char add with a negative index like -9, it returns an empty string. But when I use string with a negative index like -9, it returns undefined. This simply means that char at and string can't handle negative indices. That is the only difference they have with at.